Hello and welcome, this is Ali Nasser. I am Solidworks certified expert, and in this video I'm going to illustrate how to create bill of material for multi-body when you have a simple part like this you build in features or surface and you want to show bill of material for multi-bodies. Let's try and show the problem. If I go to file and make drawing from part, let's assume A3. I will choose the current display. Let's bigger size scale here 1 to 1 and show display like this. Okay. If I go to annotations and select tables, bill of materials, my problem, I have to show parts only, so I have part only in bill of material table. Let's delete this one. Right click, select delete table, and to fix this, simply return to part from window here, and we need to change the type of solid bodies to weldments. Just click here on weldment icon, and now you have catalyst 5. In catalyst, make sure to do this. Right click on catalyst folder and update it, then right click again and automatic update to show these bodies in bill of material table. Return to your sheet, and here from tables I will select now weldment catalyst for this part. Okay, I have all multi-bodies appear like this. I have four parts, as you can see. Also I can add automatic auto balloon here. Yes, I can also change this table. Let me delete this column, also this one, delete it, column, and I will add material for each body. Add right column, property, from property select custom item property, we'll select material, and we need to apply material for this part from window, return to part. Here for each body I will add material. These two bodies is same, we can add right click and add materials like rubber for hands. Yes, again rubber, yes, and this one we can add material plain carbon steel. For cutter, upper cutter, let's assume it is cast alloy. Also for lower, cast alloy. Save it and return it to your sheet drawing. Here you can find the material shown as a bear, and also I can add configuration for this one. Let me add configuration for current here. Let me high quality, scale 1 to 1. Okay, I have already created configuration when position closed and open it for this bill. Let me add, click here and choose second, close it. Yes, okay. I can also add auto balloon for this one, but it is only one part. You need to create cut list again for this one, but it's not important right now. That's all in our video, and I hope this video is useful for you. My regards, Ali Nasr.